Everyone flexes $1,000 bills. But here's a $70 rig running real games at high FPS. Go ahead. Tell me again, it can't be done. Let me show you how I pulled off the most disrespectfully cheap gaming PC in 2025. This is the Dell Optiplex 3020, an old office PC that now punches way above its weight. And this, right here, is the Radeon Pro WX 2100, a forgotten workstation card that's secretly a budget beast. For $70 total, I got a system with a real Intel Core i7, 16 gigs of RAM, and a GPU that can handle actual games in 2025. I grabbed this Dell Optiplex 3020 for $40 on eBay. Why so cheap? It was dusty, but it had a hard drive and an OS, but it had the real gold, an Intel i7 3770, 4 cores, 8 threads, and 8 gigabytes of DDR3 already installed. That's already a massive win. This i7 is old, sure, but it still holds its own in most modern tasks and games. And because the 3020 uses the LGA 1155 socket, it's upgrade-friendly. I dropped in 2 extra 8GB stick I had lying around. If you had to buy it, maybe $5 or $10. So we're at $45 total. Not bad for a solid i7 base. Next up, the graphics card. I needed something dirt cheap, but not garbage. Here is the Radeon Pro WX 2100, a forgotten workstation GPU that I snagged for $25 shipped. It's basically a Radeon RX 550 in disguise. Low power, small form factor, and there is no PCIe power required. That's perfect for the Dell's tiny PSU. No upgrades needed. Just slap it in and go. And yes, it fits. No cutting. No flexing. The Dell Optiplex swallowed it whole. For extra storage, I had a spare 120GB SSD laying around. Cost if you're buying? Maybe $5–7 on eBay or AliExpress. This is not necessary. It also had Windows 10 activated itself. I installed all the drivers using Snappy Driver Installer. No hiccups. Total spent $70 flat. And this thing booted up cleaner than a hotel bathroom. Let's talk real-world performance. Can this $70 monster actually game? Valorant, 1080p low, 150 to 160 FPS. CS2, 1080p low, 130 plus FPS. Fortnite, 1080p performance mode, 110 FPS. GTA 5, 1080p normal, 113 FPS Minecraft, 300 plus FPS with shaders off. I mean, this isn't a 4070 Ti, obviously. But for less than what most people pay for a keyboard, this thing is absolutely playable. Even outside gaming, it's a solid machine for browsing, schoolwork, or emulation. So, did I cheat the $100 PC challenge? Nope, I bodied it. $40 Optiplex, $25 GPU, $5 RAM plus SSD combo. No unnecessary upgrades needed, just smart part picking and a bit of hustle. You don't need $1,000 to get started. You just need a plan, a little patience, and maybe some Facebook Marketplace luck. So the next time someone says, "You can't build a PC for $100, just show them this video. Or, better yet, build your own and do it for $69.99. If you like this build, smash that like button. And if you want more budget tech experiments, subscribe, because the next one might just be even cheaper. If we get 10 likes, I will do, can a $50 PC run Roblox? Catch you in the next one.